Welcome to Steiner Family Motorsports. This is a 2024 Dream Riders NYOA.net Round 1 track preview for mini bike and quad. Here we go, let's go. Only 25 horsepower, battery's a little bit low. Don't forget to check out the Peely track and the big bike and quad track. There'll be separate videos this year. Last year I did them all as one. Conditions are prime right now. First lap, you guys bypass scoring, going to the left here. Minis are bypassing this. That hill right there, coming through here. Yes, this stuff will still get trimmed. We're not completely done. Split line right here going up the hill. Split line right here. Multiple lines all throughout this area. Where people struggled last year, we fixed all those areas, added more lines. Split line. Another new split line. Split line. Split line right or left here. line there to the left. Split lines. Another split line. And another. Split line. You can go left there or go all the way down here. Sharp corner here. Split line. Right, left, or up to the middle here. Tons of lines. More splits. Yes, we will move this log. Most minis will probably go this way, but there is a line to the left for the faster kids. Split line here. Inside line there. Split line. Split line. Bunny rabbit. This is a mini split right here. Minis go to the left. It's just set up right now for the big bikes. Gotta cut through. This tree will get cut out of the way, but the track goes right there. Go down around for the time being. Again, not everything is fully done yet. Just some of the last sections, but they come back right back in there. Split line. All the way up this hill with split line. Split line through here, left, right, anywhere you guys want to go. Tons of line options. You go left there or right. Split lines. Another set of splits right here. Track's about 90% done. We still got a little bit of trimming and clearing to do, some more marking, but not so bad. It's not even the weekend before yet when I'm recording this. It's Friday night. So minis go straight through here. out of the start now, coming in the home stretch for the mini lap. And now we're right back where the start came in. I didn't charge the bike fully before this video. I already did a whole lap on the track, so it's about dead. It's just making it to the finish line for you. And this completes one lap for minis at the 2024 Dream Riders. NYOA.net. Again, finished with 0% battery life left. Not too bad. This is my 2023 Stark Varg. Check out the channel for a video build series. Just put on these covers today. Putting on a handbrake and foot brake combo together, but without any further ado, let's check out how long this ride was. So it took me about almost 18 minutes. I averaged 15.2 miles per hour, and it was, minis are 4.56 miles, so 4.5 miles for the minis. And I'm pretty sure I can get this Google Map picture posted for you guys at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Please subscribe if you like this content. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments if you're excited for the race. Like I said, the dirt is perfect this year. It's actually a little bit dry right now, so I'm looking forward to this little bit of rain on Wednesday, Thursday coming here before the race. Should make the conditions perfect for the weekend. So, hey, thank you guys for watching. Check out the other Pee-wee video and the big bike and quad video coming soon. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Peace. Ride safe, and I'll see you guys on the weekend.